What apps can I use to send pictures from my phone to my smart TV?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're discussing a topic that often puzzles many smartphone and smart TV users: how to send pictures from your phone to your smart TV. Fear not. With the right apps, it's easier than you think. So, let's dive right in.
What are the general requirements?
First and foremost, to send pictures from your phone to your smart TV, you need a compatible app on both devices. Most of the time, both devices need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Be sure to check app compatibility with your specific phone and TV models, as well as their operating systems.
What are some apps that I can use?
There are numerous apps that can assist you in streaming your photos to your smart TV. Some of the most popular include Google Photos. If you're using Android, Google Photos may already be on your phone. It lets you stream your photos to any TV with Chromecast or Google TV. AirPlay. For iPhone users, AirPlay is a built-in feature that allows you to cast photos to Apple TV or any AirPlay-compatible smart TV. AllCast. This is a versatile app compatible with both Android and iOS devices. It supports a variety of smart TVs, including those that are DLNA compatible.
How do I use these apps?
Here's a quick rundown of how you might use these apps. 1. Google Photos. Open the Google Photos app, select the photo you want to cast, tap on the Cast icon and choose your smart TV. 2. AirPlay. Open your iPhone's control center, tap on Screen Mirroring, and choose your smart TV. Now, any photo you open will be displayed on your TV. 3. AllCast. After installing the AllCast app on your phone, open it and it will automatically search for your smart TV. Once connected, you can select the photos to be displayed. Transferring photos from your phone to your smart TV can be simple and straightforward once you've got the right tools at your disposal. Whether you're an Android or iPhone user, the Google Photos, AirPlay, or AllCast apps make sharing your favorite snaps on the big screen a breeze. We hope this guide proves helpful for your future photo sharing endeavors. Happy casting!